Cold. The bad thing is there that the swelling is for 1 week, because of which the swelling is in a stage that it will start becoming like a ice. So our aim is to melt that ice. How that ice can melt? That these fingers has to bend at this level. At this level. Okay. So firstly, a person who is sitting with him, he has to assist. Firstly, he has to bend normal fingers at this level. Okay. Once it bend at this level, the swelling on the back of the hand will go down. Why it will go down? Because the tendons which are in between skin and the bone, that will try to hit both things, and it's like a hammering the ice. So the swelling which is for 1 week, it will start melting and it will go down in this direction towards the heart. So first thing is this. Okay, once it bend in this level, then we have to bend it like this, little bit. Okay, so when we are doing like this, that means we are hammering, we are pumping the bad things out of these fingers. So it will give a good feeling. Then when this is over, that is a kind of warm-up exercise, because the injured fingers are middle ring and the little finger. In these fingers you have to be very cautious. There should be no pain while you are doing exercise. So how this is possible? First, this wrist joint should be in the back side. Once it is back side, the fingers which allow the tendons which allow the fingers to bend will get relaxed. So now the back side of the tendons or rope-like structures are relaxed. Now when we will try to bend this finger, it will easy to bend the finger. If we will do it like it, then we cannot bend it. So we have to do it in this way. Then after doing this, it is so easy to bring the finger down to the, we are touching almost to the tip of the finger, we are touching to the palm. The next thing, then we will do it this much, little bit, not like that, little bit. Once it is at this level, then slowly and slowly, not like suddenly, you don't have to dip it. Slowly and slowly you have to pump like this. The more you will pump slow, continuous repetitive movement, then the tendons will hit the skin and the bone, and any connection in between skin and bone will go down, or it will melt. And suddenly you will realize that there is a lot of improvement in your finger movement without any pain. Okay, so now it is coming at this level, so it is okay. When this is over, then you come in the next finger adjacent to that. Relax. This joint should be like this. Bring it little bit bend, little bit, this much is okay. Then bend it slowly and slowly and slowly. Right? Like this you keep doing it.
Okay.
So you see, I am doing it, and you have to keep talking while doing all this exercise. And you don't think that he can do this exercise by himself.
Okay.
He need a good person like you.
Okay.
Who will keep talking to him, whether good, bad, whatever.
Okay.
He should eat, and every time his hand should be elevated above the heart level. Okay. And like this, because once you get improvement, then I'll charge 1,000 times extra money.
Okay.
Okay.
Understand.
अभी रेट नहीं करते, फिर
या तो मेल कर दीजिए।
मेल तो इसी से होगा ना,
मेल का इससे तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
इस वाले से करते हैं। इसको खोलना करा, यहाँ से मेल कर देखिए। गॉट इट?
Got it.
ओके, स्टॉप इट।